to the Pinch Bottling Company. The great taste of India started in a humble city of Jalgaon, Khandesh. This leading Indian beverage brand has been adding a pinch to real taste and quality since 2 decades, both nationally and internationally. Founded in the year 1998 by a visionary businessman, Mr. Zafar R. Sheikh, the company firmly believes in giving every family a drink they deserve, full of love, care, nourishment and warmth. Because of their fine quality, unique flavors and delicious taste, their products are thoroughly relished pan-India and abroad. This company unit, located at multiple locations, manufactures a wide range of non-alcoholic carbonated beverages, hot filling juices, ready syrups and packaged drinking water.
हमारी खासियत ये है कि हम हमारे सभी प्रोडक्ट में आरओ वाटर का ही इस्तेमाल करते हैं और दूसरी ख़ास बात ये है कि हम हमारे सभी कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स में फ्रूट जूस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जो शायद दूसरी कंपनियां नहीं करती है। और हमारे सारे प्लांट्स फुली ऑटोमेटेड और हाइजीनिक है। हम वक्त की मांग को और नौजवानों की पसंद को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमेशा मार्केट में नए नए प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करते हैं। हमारी अच्छी क्वालिटी की वजह से हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स देश और विदेश दोनों में खूब पसंद किए जा रहे हैं और मेरा ये सपना है कि ये इंडियन ब्रांड देश का मान सम्मान और अभिमान बने। जय हिंद।
The Pinch swears by retaining optimum standards and processes. The plant, with green surround and fully auto-lined, ensures high quality assurance and shows excellence and guarantees customer satisfaction right from materials and ingredients procurement to beverage mixing to pasteurization of food beverages for prolonged shelf life to bottling and delivery with a commitment to world-class standard. The Pinch has never fallen back on manufacturing innovation. The company's product basket is mainly classified as non-alcoholic carbonated beverages that include Jeera Masala, Pride Clear Lime, Orange, Lemon, Apple Drink, Cola and Plain Soda. Hot filling beverages like Mango, Nimbus, Guava, Aam Panna, Lychee and mixed fruit drinks. Ready syrup includes Sherbet-e Aflatoon and packaged drinking water with the brand names So Fine and Pinch Aqua. The most important thing is all the products are produced by using RO water only and added with original fruit juices. The company's flagship products are mainly Jeera Masala, the unique product enriched with vitamin C, which serves as digestive and an appetizer. Stamina Apple Fizzy. Knowing how crucial good health plays in our lives, Pinch has come up with a stamina booster fruit drink called Stamina Apple Fizzy, added with real apple juice. Sherbet-e Aflatoon is company's unique ready-mix syrup with a shelf life of 18 months. The mix is added with honey, pineapples, muracas and lime juice, making it a perfect health drink for the entire family. All these products are FSSAI, BIS and ISO certified. The beverages undergo manufacturing processes in a very safe and hygienic condition before reaching their valued customers. The manufacturing unit consists of a fully automated syrup room, filtration system and rinsing with RO water, filling, capping, coding, labeling and shrinking packaging system, all driven by highly qualified and trained professionals. With more than 2 decades of value, commitment and quality, the Pinch has gained deep insight into the international beverage industry. We at the Pinch make sure that we give the customers exactly what they want. The real competitive advantage in any business is its people. The team at Pinch is a passionate group with consistent zest for performance. It is this talented team that is taking Pinch to such great heights. And it is their thirst of accepting challenges that has made things possible that was once just an imagination. The company has been conferred with many prestigious awards such as WQC International Star Quality Award in 2008 at Paris, Industrial Cooperation Award of the Maharashtra State Government in 2009, Swadeshi Janak Award and many other national awards as well. The Pinch Bottling Company is always willing to collaborate with other national and international beverage companies in future, with a vision of growing together hand in hand. The Pinch, an Indian company, is making India proud wherever it goes with its impeccable taste and a rich cultural history.